Hey diddly ho diddly! We are up in the mountains. Probably can't see, but up there is Copper Mountain. Right now it is 13 whopping degrees. It's gonna be a cold day today. We got
Cold day, Tater.
cold day tater. We got a full day of snow. I think it was till about 4 it was gonna be snowing, and then it's gonna get really windy, so hopefully we can beat the wind. We are, let's see, it opens at 9, so it's 9:35. We're only 35 minutes off of first lift. Grant was telling us about these kind of unique chairlifts, so when we get to these chairlifts, we'll show you what they're all about, but waxed the boards last night, got them all ready for today, so hopefully they're not super sticky. But gonna get loaded up and we'll see y'all on the mountain.
It's pretty dope, right?
It's really warm. So when did they add this?
I have no idea, but it's the only one in Colorado.
I've never seen this. So there's little bubbles, and we're basically airtight in here.
Everything but like your feet.
Yeah, and then it gives you, they still have a little thing for you to rest your feet down here. This is legit as.
It's gonna be a good day.
Mm-hmm. Just powder, powder, powder. Oh God. Somewhere up here. I can't see shit. Looks fun.
What?
Looks fun. So quiet. I like this.
I did want you to try the T-bar as well.
Maybe
I think you'd like it.
you might be able to get back up there if they don't close it.
Oh no, we're going to the right direction to get to that T-bar. So we're gonna just keep heading that way.
Okie dokie.
It's pretty much far as you can go that way. Get it.
That's not, yeah, that's not good at all. You gotta go as fast as possible. I'm gonna go inside then and dry this all out. You're trying to get over there?
As high as you can. Yeah, see that's the T-bar we're going on.
All right, ladies and genitals, we're trying a T-bar. We will be trying something new today. Hopefully I don't embarrass myself. You stay trapped in on both, right? When you ride the thingy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, no, you don't.
Okay. All right. Here we go. Never done this before. Oh man, I'm nervous.
Alright, so all you do, shove it in, and then hold on to and then get on. You're not going to be the first one.
Yeah, I know, I'm watching it. Like that?
No.
You want it between your legs?
Yeah. Just let it pull you.
I've never done it, so that looked easier.
Just put your foot on here. Just let it pull you. Let it do the work.
And we're off! Alright, one fail's not too bad. Oh god. Oh, it kind of hurts the inside of your leg. Alright, so we are going up to almost the top side of the mountain. I think we're going to be maybe going on the back side. I don't really know how to get off of this thing either. These things are pretty slingshotty looking. I'm freaking proud of myself. Only one fail. Okay, so it's not extremely violent. Only one fail.
Wasn't bad.
Yeah, there was a few times where I slipped off. Well, no, I had to, like, I was right here and I slipped off and I had to
Really?
hop back on real quick.
That's impressive that you didn't.
Yeah.
Last time we went down here and turned left, and it was there was some bad spots. I'm thinking we should go down this way. I didn't realize that was an option last time. Oh, dude,
Oh, it's sticky.
feel it.
Yeah,
Feel
it's real
it's
sticky.
colder up here.
Full on white out. Hopefully this is worth it. Visibility is about none. Why did we come up here? Oh Jesus! Do not go that way! I didn't see it. It was way too. It was way too late before I realized that's where I was going.
You're telling me you're gonna just bomb this, right? All speed. All speed, no control. I'll see you at the helicopter. Alright, gentlemen. I'm Josh, by the way.
I'm Nathan.
I'm an O positive blood type. If you see me,
just know.
call that flight for life.
Oh, oh. No, which is good. Whew. Yeah, that's nice. right, fam. Taking what's this lift called?
Rendezvous, I think.
Rendezvous to back to that. So we're going back to that terrible catwalk zone. Because the powder was just the terrible part was worth the good part. So we're going back. It's a little snowier. We went and got lunch, and the sun came out, and then it did the opposite of that. It got much worse. Yeah. So it should be fun over there. Yeah, I think so. Give it a floofing shot. That was good. This little line right here, this little line is just deep.
That looked like it was pure powder bliss.
Yeah, that was thick. All right, we are out of here. We went to Prost. If you are ever in Frisco, Colorado. If you're ever up in the mountain, what do they call it? It's got a name. High country. If you're ever in the high country in Colorado. So if you're in Keystone, Breckenridge, Vail, any of those mountains, and you are a German food fan, go to Prost. They have super wild sausages. We got what was it? Boar? Or was it?
Elk something.
It was like blueberry, huckleberry. They just have really bizarre food. So if you're ever in this little area, check it out. They have a very nice German
and
vibe.
Great beers.
And yeah, what is the Franziskaner Hefeweizen? So tomorrow we're gonna hit the disc golf courses down in Denver. So we will see you tomorrow.